Hi everyone, this is a video about this Jaybird Freedom 2. I have already made a video about Jaybird Freedom version number 1, and this is the version number 2, and I have to say I'm disappointed from several points, but also there has been some sort of improvement that we are going to go through that. But first of all, Jaybird try to save some money, and I don't blame them, but if they save some money in order to make their product better by packaging, cutting from packaging and put everything into the item, that would very nicely welcome. But unfortunately there are some bad points, some good points. This is the comparison of the packaging. The packaging of the original one was a substantial, really good case and very nicely presented, but the problem is not that. And here they are all very cheaply made with a nice print here, but still I don't have any problem with that. But there are some points that in the old version we had the choice of having earbuds separate than the ear wings. That this is no longer the case because Jaybird had combined two of them together. I show you later on that when you use this, when you want to take it out of your ear, the earbud with the wing stays in your ear because of the design flow that it has. But there are some improvement, like the clarity of the sound, a little bit, very minute, but not so much. And then when you get the earphone out, this is another improvement, that you can easily adjust this at the back of your head or your neck, and the rest is rather is just earbuds and the battery charger and 4 sizes, or better to say 3 sizes of the earbuds, and the charging cable and the clip, shirt clip. And this one stays the same, but unfortunately because of the design of the earbuds, you can see how easily it comes off. I push it firmly inside, and if you look at it, it's really reaching the end of this, but still I'm not applying any pressure, just pulling a little bit, and you see that it's coming out very easily. This is really bad. I am a fan of Jaybird, but unfortunately in this case I have to say that Jaybird got it wrong, and this is a down point, and I'm afraid this item is going to go back because I don't like this system. And to be honest, this video is just a comparison between the old and the new. Everything else is exactly the same, but here what we have, the earbuds, they were not as easy to get them out of the box, and the quality of the box I don't mind. That is rather getting cheaper, but look at this, this is really good, and presentation. But still, as I mentioned, I don't care about the packaging. If they can save some money in there and then put all the rest of the money into the savings into the quality of the item, it would be very much appreciated. But in this case, it's not. Everything else is the same. They just changed this, and whole set of earbuds that we could get with the air wings, all of them, they disappeared. They changed a little bit of this, and before we had the sponge one and the silicone earbuds, but now we have to put up with just the silicone earbuds that I am not a fan of. So this is very big thumb down for the Jaybird. The sound quality, as I mentioned, is the same. The price has been reduced a little bit. This item is being sold between £75 up to £120, and this one, the old version, still is available between £50 up to £70. And by all means, I do not recommend you to get the Jaybird 2. I recommend you, if you are a fan of Jaybird, find the Jaybird original, this one, and don't waste your money on this Jaybird number 2, that you are going to be disappointed. Anyhow, this is supposed to be a short video about a comparison between Jaybird and Jaybird number 2, and unfortunately the recommendation is not possible in this case. So if you're having Jaybird Jaybird original, don't waste your money to go for Jaybird 2. So that's end of this video. Thanks for watching, and until my next video, take care of yourself and each other, and as always, have a great time.